Here's one way to fix or quiet down a lifter tick if you got one. This is pretty simple. I mean, it's pretty obvious to check your oil every now and then, but check it, and on the line that comes out on the oil dipstick there, the notched line that the oil is supposed to be in, make sure it's in the notched line. If not, add like a little bit more. The closer you get to the top of that line, the more your lifter tick may go away. I just did it to this. I bought this truck for $200 yesterday. Let me back up. It's a 99 GMC Sierra, 278,000 miles. Had a real bad lifter tick. Brought it home, added some oil to it. It was the notch line, it was down at the bottom almost to add. I mean, just that's something to check on. Check that out before you freak out. So I pulled my dipstick up. I looked at my checkered line. Well, I pulled my dipstick up, I wipe it off, throw it back in there, pull it back, wipe off, or not wipe off, sorry. Look at your cross-hatched line, see where your oil's at in it, see if you need to add some, maybe even get some Lucas or something like that. I just used some cheap Walmart Super Tech. I don't remember how much it was. It couldn't have been more than $1.50, maybe $2 or something. But yeah, if you got a lifter tip, pop the oil cap off, fill some oil in it. It'll go away. It was real bad. I should have made a video before, but I'll make a video of now starting it. She ain't the prettiest, but nothing at all. Awesome. I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Again, there she is. 200 bucks. We'll see what I can do with her. Stay tuned. I'll make more videos. I think I'm gonna level her out or something. Maybe fix some dents and dings, fix the driver door, put some fender flares. I don't know, we'll see. I know I'm doing a new water pump because he said it leaked coolant. But other than that, there she is. Toodaloo.